Hello everybody, I'm here with the Empties video. So you guys are probably saying, Sasha, it is so hot. Why you have that sweater on? I just want you to know when you see me with the sweater on because it is really hot outside. I'm having trouble with my eczema. I was born with it. And it seems like sometimes that I'm getting a good treatment and it's going away. Before I get too comfortable, here it comes again. So yeah, I have a sweater on to cover up. So let me start. I have the Dove Purely Pampering Vanilla Beauty Bar. Smells good. Dove is good. I have the Canon soap. I love Canon. It always smells so girly. It smells so good. I have another Dove for the sensitive skin, and I buy this often, but it doesn't really work for me, but nothing too much works for me. So, well, there are a few things at Target, and I'm going to start back to buying that. There are a couple of things, a few things that work for me. But this is sensitive skin, but it doesn't really work, but it's a great product. I have the Suavitel Complete. I buy this often. It works well. It always smells good. I just wish they had it in a real big bottle. I would buy it. Because all these little bottles add up. I have the Chase's Home Value Spray Disinfectant Spray that I get from Dollar Tree. I love this for my bathroom. I like the disinfectant sprays for the bathroom. I have my Wax Melts candles. I believe I got this from my local dollar store, and it was 50 for $3.99, and that's good. It lasts a long time. I have the Spa Soap Antibacterial Liquid Soap Refill from Dollar Tree. I always pick this up when I go to Dollar Tree. I haven't been there in a while. I'm still using up stuff when I brought a big stash of stuff. But when you see this brand, make sure to pick it up. It's good. It's a nice size. Even for $1.25, it's a nice size. I got my old reliable AIM toothpaste. This is the main toothpaste that I buy. I have tissue. This is a nice size bundle. This is the Quilted Northern. And it's 12 rolls, and they say it's like big, like 24 rolls. I don't know about all that, but it's good. And it's a nice size, but I don't know about it being as big as 24 rolls. Now, they trying to psych us up, okay? I got the toilet tissue that you can get from Dollar Tree. It's good for this size with the 4 in it. It's a good brand. It really is. It's not as cheap feeling as some of the other ones, you know. So now I have VIM dish detergent. If you haven't seen the review, maybe I shouldn't talk that much about this, but this is a good brand, okay? Watch the review, see how I feel about this, okay? And it was only 99 cents. You see, I got 2 here. The next item I have is Refresh All-Purpose Cleaner. It cleans and shines. It's $1.99. It's okay. But the smell is not real strong because it is a cheaper product. But in a pinch, it works good. Okay. You want a better smell, you're gonna have to pay more money, right? I have the Todd Simply Clean. This is the 2-in-1 powerful detergent and fresh scent. And this is the Daybreak. And it's pretty good. It's not as good as the original Tide, but I find this on sale a lot. And when I do, I just grab it up. Sometimes I have found it for like $8.99 or something like that. And so yeah, I make sure I grab it up when I see it cheap like that. I have this big extra laundry detergent. So you know how I feel about detergents like this. Sometimes it doesn't clean that well without adding like some Oxy or something to it. But for general cleaning, this big thing like this is good. You can mop with it. You can do just about anything with it. So when I see this on sale and it's real inexpensive, I pick this up too because it'll last you a long time just for general cleaning and plus clothes. So now I'm going to show you some mouthwashes that I have. This is the Swan from Dollar Tree. It's pretty good. It's very similar to Listerine. I like it a lot. And this is 16.9 fluid ounces. I have the CVS Health Antiseptic Mouthwash, Anti-Gingivitis, Anti-Plaque. So this is 8.5 fluid ounces, and this is from CVS. This is like Listerine, and it's great. I have another Swan Antiseptic Mouth Rinse from Dollar Tree. And my last is the Listerine Total Care 6-in-1 Benefits. This is excellent, but it is pricey. Okay, it is very pricey. So what I try to do is, like you saw, I have some cheaper ones, and then I get 1 or 2 of these to add to my stash. But the big one especially my area, is very high. Okay. Also, this product here, I did a review on cariPro Dental Probiotics. Okay, and I showed this review. I use it if you have dental issues, if you have gum disease, if you want your mouth healthier, if you have a lot of health conditions and you have dry mouth. I do. Honestly, I do. This will help a lot. This will make your breath smell better. I still use the mouthwashes because that's just what you want to do. But this is very helpful, and it has it supports natural immune defenses, supports good breath and good health. And gum health, helps fight plaque buildup, and it has a great pomegranate berry flavor. So if you're interested, I'm going to list that in the description box. Okay, and you can check it out. If you're interested, you can check it out. So that's the end of it, y'all, of my empties. I just want to say that you have seen a lot of different videos lately. It's like I'm going back in time on my YouTube channel. When I started my channel, I was doing all sorts of things, having a great time. You would see me out going to concerts, out with my daughter, Of course, shopping, and I do a lot of different things. But I am aware that on YouTube you have to have a niche to go farther on, to go further on YouTube. And I've been trying so hard, y'all. But sometimes I just want to be me. Honestly, I want to be me. I want my channel to grow, but I want to be me. So I came to the conclusion that I'm going to keep doing my product reviews and stuff because that's what this channel is about. But from time to time, you are going to see different things. You're going to see me going back to the old days. That's before the pandemic. It's a time that I was sick, but God just gave me the strength to go out there and have a good time. And life is short, y'all. Just want you to know that. Life is short. Enjoy life. But honestly, you can be pigeonholed on this YouTube. It's like you got to do the same thing all the time, constantly, over and over and over again. And it works for some people. But I tried to niche down. And at times it helped a little bit. And that is the reason why I created my laundry, Sasha Monique Talks Soap and Suds review channel. That way I can concentrate on my laundry detergent stuff. That's my love. And I also share it over here. But y'all, I do get tired of doing the same thing. I'm just being honest with you. I want to be me. I just want to share my videos, but I don't want my videos to be stuck because I'm doing other things. You know, when I started YouTube, it was like a time where some people was talking about niche down and stuff, but everybody was up to here having a great time. We were happy. Everybody was sharing their life, their love, what they like to do. And I wish it would get back to that. To be stuck doing one particular thing all the time. So I haven't put as many videos over there on my other channel because that is niche only. It's only about the soap products over there. And that channel actually did grow faster than this one, considering I only had that channel, I think it's 3 years now. But they tell you to make multiple channels, but multiple channels is a lot of work. I didn't even know I was going to get on the subject, but I am. Here I am. Multiple channels is a whole lot of work. So I'm here just being me, the way I am. I'm going to share products. It's going to come a point very soon. I'm not going to be buying as much stuff, because we're going to be going into the winter and stuff, and bills are high, y'all. Y'all know. And so I have to cut back, so you won't be seeing as many hauls unless I get things real reasonable. You will not be seeing many hauls. Maybe you'll see like dollar store hauls, stuff like that. Okay? So I just was letting y'all know that. And please continue to watch. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your support. Please like the videos. Please share, comment, like the video. Okay? So you're going to see some videos. I'm going to be acting just like a clown because that's my personality. I can be serious, but I can act like a fool sometimes. And y'all see it. I act like a clown. Okay? So it's going to be it's going to be mixed in. It's going to be a lot of reviews, but it's going to be me clowning, okay? I love you. I love y'all. Bye.